So one of the things that I want to ask is, how many of us have hypothesized or made some type of correlation when it comes to our marketing or customer data? All the time. Some of the things that I've heard, as someone will say to me, well, I don't know if my social media is working, but the customer came in my store, told me they heard X. And so we're jumping to what? A conclusion about our marketing. And the thing about the word correlation is extremely important when we talk about it in marketing and data, is because when it comes to this term, what it is two variables that are literally related. So this is what most people think about when they think about correlation and marketing metrics. The problem is that this is more of an accuracy to what a customer journey truly looks like. How many of you have seen something like this before? Awesome. Okay, so if you haven't, don't forget at the end you'll be able to get a copy of this. But really, I mean, if you look at many of the companies that are out there, Google did this great thing where they show all the different journeys that customers go on. And the path to purchase is not this, right? And do you all agree with that? Do you feel as though the path to purchase is literally, I had an idea, I woke up today and I buy it? No, right? It's okay, you can shout it out. Right, no. So that's the point, is it's a lot of this. And the reason I love something like this is because not only are we seeing it, but there's every touch point here. We've got digital and physical, and there are different things that are impacting how people decide to buy. So when you think about all the things that you're doing from a marketing perspective, they're all contributing like little components of ingredients into the success of your business.